Hey, did you know? You can create stunning marketing videos in just 1 minute. No camera or editing software needed. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will introduce you to an amazing website packed with super cool AI tools. People are using it to turn long YouTube videos into catchy short clips and even to create AI-powered talking avatars that boost their social media game. Sounds exciting, right? Let me show you how you can do this too. Let's dive in. Introducing TopView AI, your ultimate tool for creating marketing videos and other content with zero stress or editing skills. Whether you are a content creator or just getting started, TopView makes it easy to create videos that stand out and help you grow your income. I've got you covered. The link is in the description. Click it, sign up, and enjoy 10 free credits to get started. Let's create something amazing together. Once you sign up and log in, you will land on the dashboard, where you will see an easy-to-navigate interface. Here, you will find options like projects and assets, where you can upload your videos and photos to start creating. Plus, you will have access to some amazing tools, including Avatar Marketing Video. Create professional marketing videos in no time. Talking Photo. Avatar. Make photos come to life with speech. AI Voice Generator. Add realistic AI voices to your videos. Long videos to shorts. Turn lengthy content into short clips. Video Script Extractor. Quickly pull out scripts from videos. Get ready to explore and bring your creative ideas to life effortlessly. Let's start by trying out the Avatar Marketing Video feature. Click on it, and you will see a user-friendly interface. Here, you can choose an avatar for your branding or advertisement. I will select one, and once I do, more versions of the avatar will appear. Pick the one you like best, then hit the Confirm button. After selecting your avatar, you will see another interface where you can add your product link. The tool will generate a short video for you in no time. Supported websites include Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and many more. For this demo, I will select Amazon and enter a product link to show you how easy it is. Let's go. Here's how to do it. Open the Amazon website and pick the product you want. For this demo, I will choose one. Copy the product link and head back to the TopView website. Paste the link into the input field and click on the Analyze Link button. The tool will automatically fetch the photos and videos of your product from the website. This might take a few moments, and once it's done, you will see all the product visuals right there. Select the photos and videos you want, then click Continue to proceed. In the Add from Assets section, you can also upload your own images and videos if needed. If you scroll down, you will find additional options like Create a Video About, where the tool automatically fetches the product title and description for you. You don't have to lift a finger. Of course, if needed, you can easily edit these details to better fit your style. If you click on More Options, you will unlock even more features to customize your video. Video length. Choose a duration, like 15 to 30 seconds. I will go with this option. Add logo. Include your brand's logo. Size ratio. Select the size that fits your platform. Language and voiceover. Choose the language of your video and select from a variety of AI voices. You can preview them and pick the one that suits your brand best. You can even adjust your avatar's location or background. Just select your favorite option and hit Confirm. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. The tool will take care of the rest. In just a short time, your product video will be ready to go. You will also get a script, which you can tweak if needed. And there you have it. Your professional-looking video is ready without lifting a finger. How cool is that? Once your video is ready, you can download it and start using it right away.
How does a lazy day off turn into a fitness frenzy? I felt the burn in my calves after just 10 minutes. Finding time for the gym is always a struggle, right? This treadmill lets you crush calories at home. Once I raced through the 12 preset workouts, felt unstoppable. So get your own Cockatoo CTM 101 and start moving.
But wait, there's more. If you scroll down, you will see additional versions of your video. These come with different scripts, giving you multiple options for the same product. Pick the one that fits your business model best and download it with just a click. It's such a cool and effortless way to create short, impactful videos for your products. Give it a try and see the magic for yourself. Now let's check out the Talking Photo Avatar feature. This one's super fun and creative. Click on the Talking Photo Avatar option and you will see 3 sections. audio, reference image, and result video. For audio, you can either import your own file or use the text-to-audio feature to generate it. First, upload a photo you'd like to bring to life. Then, enter the text or script you want the photo to say in the video. At the bottom, you will find options for voiceovers. Pick from a variety of AI voices. I will select one for this demo. Once everything's set, hit the Generate button, and the magic begins. In just a few moments, you will have your talking photo avatar ready to go. Here's an example. It's that simple and cool.
Hi everyone, this is the AI Future Byte YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, why not show some love, hit that like button, and support the channel.
Let's move on to the AI Voice Generator, a game changer for creating professional voiceovers. With this feature, you can generate high-quality AI voices just like 11 Labs. But now, you don't need to visit multiple websites. TopView AI has you covered. Enter your script or description in the text box. Make sure to check the AI pronunciation correction option for accurate and natural-sounding speech. Browse through the many available voices and select the one that fits your style. There's a voice for every need. Once you are ready, click the Generate button, and in moments, your audio will be ready to use.
Hi everyone, this is the AI Future Byte YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, why not show some love, hit that like button, and support the channel.
In my opinion, TopView AI's voices sound even better than 11 Labs, giving you a truly professional edge. Now you can create flawless AI voices like a pro, all in one place with TopView AI. Next up is the Long Video to Shorts feature, perfect for turning lengthy content into snappy, shareable clips. Click on the Long Video to Shorts option. This tool works for videos from various platforms. I will choose a YouTube video, but feel free to pick one from another platform that suits your needs. Copy the link of the video, head back to TopView, and paste it into the input field. Click the Extract button, and in seconds, it will generate multiple short videos, complete with captions. You will even get some great examples to preview. This feature saves tons of time and effort that would normally go into editing. Say goodbye to tedious work and hello to quick, engaging content. Let's talk about an incredibly handy tool, a video script extractor. This tool allows you to extract scripts from any video, be it TikTok, YouTube, or other platforms. Let me show you how it works using a YouTube video as an example. First, pick a YouTube video you want the script from. Just copy the video link, paste it into the extractor, and hit Free Extract. In less than a minute, the full script of that video will be ready for you. What's more, you can use this to grab scripts from high-performing videos, tweak them to make your own content, and give your channel a major boost. It's a game changer for creating engaging, optimized videos effortlessly. Go ahead and give it a try. TopView has some truly amazing tools that can take your social media game to the next level. If you are serious about boosting your content, you have to check out this website. Here's the best part. It even offers a collection of viral hooks for TikTok, along with a library of top-ranked videos. It's a goldmine for inspiration. Now, let's dive into the plans they offer. First up is the free plan, which gives you 10 free credits every month. However, keep in mind that these credits expire monthly, and your outputs will include a watermark. To remove the watermark, you have two great options. Starter plan, 600 credits per year, just $9.7 per month with annual billing. Billed at $116 per year. And here's the exciting part. There's a holiday sale going on right now. You will get a $60 discount, making this plan even more budget-friendly. Business plan, 3,000 credits per year, expire annually. Costs $44.90 per month with annual billing. Plus, both comes packed with premium features like no watermark, expanded storage options, and full access to all assets. With these plans, you can choose the one that suits your needs and start creating watermark-free, high-quality content effortlessly. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, explore the site, and sign up now to start transforming your social media presence. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this.